In this lecture, we are going to understand the concept of copy and paste and how it works in normal mode of VIM editor. First of all, I will cover the theory concept, how we do copy and then paste in VIM editor, and then we will go to VIM editor and do the practical things. For single line copy, just we need to press YY. For multiple line copy, we need to press number of line you want to copy and then you press YY. In normal mode, to paste the content what you have already copied, just press P. Just careful, it is a small letter P, not the capital letter P. And another concept I will tell you while I will be doing these things practically inside VIM editor, like by default system clipboard is disabled in VIM or GVim. This means whatever copy you do in VIM editor will not reflect to system clipboard, and I will show you whatever you have copied inside VIM editor. If you paste in any of the normal GUI editor, anything, it could be gedit, it could be any IDE, it is not going to work. For that we will run the command set clipboard equal to unnamed plus, and after that this thing will reflect once you copy from VIM to any normal GUI editor or anywhere, it will work and you will see these things. Now I will go to VIM editor and show you how these things work. If you are able to see my screen, already one file is open in VIM editor. First of all, I will do single line copy and show you how it works. For single line copy, what you need to do, just go to starting of the line, press YY, and then you go to the place where you want to paste it. Suppose I want to copy the line where cursor is presently blinking and paste it after this function and before the start of next function. What I will do, I will just copy using YY and go to the next function. Suppose I want to copy after, not after, before this one, this variable, I will go to one line above and press P. If you are able to see the screen, it worked perfectly fine and copy has done perfectly fine. Using P command, you can paste what you have already copied. One thing you need to be careful, where you want to copy, just you have to keep the cursor one step above, not down. This is for single line copy. Suppose I want to do multi-line copy, how I will do it? For that you need to count the line you want to copy. Suppose I want to copy first 3 line of this function from the start where the cursor is blinking to next 3 line. What I will do, I will press number of line, that is 3, and then press YY. See, it is showing 3 line yonk. This means it has copied 3 line into VIM buffer, not system clipboard, that is VIM clipboard. Now suppose I want to copy this one here. This means I need to press simply P command. There is nothing like line number you want to paste it. It will automatically take care. Just press P and see it has written it here. So this is the concept how multi-line works. Now I will show you the concept of system clipboard. Already I have explained you in the theory lecture, like VIM clipboard is not reflected to system clipboard. This means whatever copy command we run in VIM editor will not reflect to system clipboard. Now what I will do, I will go to gedit, that is another editor, and try to paste it using Ctrl V command. See, it is not the things what we have copied inside Vim editor, because by default system clipboard is disabled inside Vim editor. Then what we need to do, we need to set the command set clipboard equal to unnamed plus, and after that those things will be visible to system clipboard and we will be able to copy paste between different editor, not only within the Vim editor but any other editor also. I will go to Vim editor once again, set the command so that it will reflect to system editor using set clipboard equal to unnamed plus and press enter. Now system clipboard and Vim clipboard is same, means whatever I copy in Vim editor will also reflect into system editor, system clipboard. What I will do, I will copy this whole function. For that I need to count the number of line it is there, so I will count it. So number of line is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. This means I need to copy 11 line. I will go to start of the function, I will press 11 and then press YY. You see 11 number of lines is copied. Now I will go to gedit and try to paste using normal paste command, that is Ctrl V. If you are able to see the screen, all the content of this function is copied properly. This means now Vim clipboard and system clipboard is aligned. So that's all in this lecture. Try to practice it, then only you will be comfortable with this command.